beautiful princess. Nothing more beautiful than being in nature, breathing this beautiful air, meditating, having peace of mind, sending love to Mother Earth, Pachamama Gaia, sending love to all beautiful living things on this earth, on all the planets, on the whole universe, the whole cosmos, every living thing. I send love. I send love to the whole universe. Everything is alive. Everything is living. Everything is peace, love, harmony, vibration, frequency. Love, love, love for everything. Beautiful balance of nature. Peace and love on earth. All of us are one. We belong to the same. We are divine beings with a lot of light and love and power within us. Let's start touching other people's lives with our knowledge, our love, our patience.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
And thanks to these little beautiful rainbow children, divine soul, direct extension of source, God, the universe. They have nothing but love in their hearts. They're so pure. They just here to touch others, to teach them how to love, teach them how to be better themselves, and to love one another. In my case, this little girl named Nelly Belen has come. She chose to come here to Earth, to come and teach me the truth about myself and that beautiful divine self that I am. This is one of the first videos that I'm going to start on her page. That it's called The Father of a Rainbow Child. Divine Rainbow Child. So this will be the beginning of this page, that the only sole intention is to teach people the power that they have within themselves, the power that they have within the whole universe, the power that they have to touch others, the power they have to teach others. There's a lot of spiritual master teachers out there that are doing the same thing and more. We got Victor Ordo out there, Rock Smart, Ed Cartoli, Mr. Wayne Dyer, of course, beautiful spiritual guru, Ram Dass. We got Aaron Dogley over here. Countless and one of the first ones that I also experienced for the first time.
Daddy!
Yes, my love. Alright, we will. That I experienced by watching him. Mr. Neil Donald. Mr. Neil Donald. That started having a lot of challenges in his life, because God, the universe himself, his higher self, his lower self, were challenging him, going through a rough time. That's when he found and started the conversations with God. I recommend to everyone that hasn't seen his work, look for him on YouTube or the movies, Conversations with God. Mr. Neil Donald Walsh. And also, he's got Last Avatar. Got another movie called Indigo. You can find on Gaia TV. Or if you look for it on YouTube, you might be able to find some of those things. Anyways, I'm gonna record this video a couple more minutes so that way I can keep on meditating and enjoying nature with my beautiful Nelly, this beautiful little girl. Her name is Nelly Belen Mendoza Cardoso, and she also got her teaching page on Facebook where I put a lot of spiritual information, a lot of material for self-learning and teaching that she channels through me, and I'll put it on, or she put it on, because as you know, as people that are going to this shift to the fifth dimension at this time on earth, to get all the awareness, and we have one conscience, and we're all connected in this grid. We're all connected. So all the ones that are developing the spiritual connection to all the other masters, we are connected to one another. So pretty much our thoughts and our feelings are able to send and just feel by others, and basically it's it's one. We're one. We're all connected. We're one. Some people are more connected than others because of the development that they have, of the self-awareness or the spiritual development. But the goal is for all of us to start developing these powers, if you will, on that are within us, that countless spiritual teachers from the past, Buddha, Jesus Christ, that all of us have the Christ conscience inside of us, that he came to teach us that all the things that he was able to do and try to teach to others are within us. So all the things that he said, all the things that I do, you'll be able to do that and more. So by the time in all those years that and everything was happening, and the level of awareness and consciousness that people had, it was mistranslated. When what he was trying to say is that we are sons from the same God, and you and I are the same, and we have the power to do the same thing and the same miracles to touch others. So that's why I recommend for you to watch the works of Neil Donald Walsh and Wayne Dyer and all those people. I'm picking you up, and for now, I send you my love. My love. Alright, let's go. Say hi, Nelly. Say bye to the people.
No.
Say bye-bye. We're sending a video for your page. Okay. I say bye for now. I'll talk to you in my next video. And this is the first of many more to come. Love you all. We don't want to solve. I love you with all my heart, with all my being. Thank you for listening. Namaste. Bye for now.